dynamic moves ahead. In this financial hall, join us on this journey. Let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Ooh, yeah. Own your future now, let the market sway. Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay.
Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay.
Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance.
Shit.
That's helium gas. I have no idea what HG is. Just making it up. HG, PL, platinum, HG, hogs? Why would hogs be? Anyways, trading restrictions have been placed on all of them with Top Step. Copper. Okay.
Come on.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Happy whatever day it is.
Or did you stream all night? Were you streaming all night again, Omnius?
I think I was here, there, everywhere, tossing, turning. I think I'm sick.
Yeah. I was thinking that I was coming down with something, but it went away. I'm happy.
I'm down
Been
with
like
the
that
sickness.
for a few of us, actually. Is there a why they place limitations? Yeah, increased volatility.
Guys, good morning. Miss K, good morning. Skeletor, good morning. Mikey, good morning. Whoever else
Which
I don't see,
means
good morning.
people were making too much money because if people were losing too many accounts, I don't think
Coach
they would
Fred,
place
good morning.
limitations.
What's the limitations we're talking about? Missed the conversation.
The number of the contracts you can trade with Top Step for copper, platinum, natural gas, gold, silver. So what does it say over there? Due to increased volatility. So I assumed people were cleaning up, or some people were cleaning up, and not enough people were losing. So they just figured we got to put an end to it.
Sunni, good morning.
And that's what they did. Sonny's got two. Sonny's got two
Sunny,
balls.
good morning.
Today.
Could go either
No.
way.
No. Sonny had it right the first time.
Could be Sunni, could be Sunny. But generally with huge volatility, you have to cut back anyways. If you had a personal account, you'd be facing the same thing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, or increased margin requirements.
Oh yeah, I get emails constantly. Yet another reason that trading props is so awesome.
Well,
Could you imagine? Let's make up a scenario, right? You wake up, you start trading the day. You didn't look at your email. You didn't realize that the margin requirements have doubled. You take a trade, get liquidated, and blow your account. And all this is personal money that's in your bank. Or you get a message saying that you can't trade because of a contract, something from a prop firm.
Yeah.
Yeah, give me that one any day.
Mm-hmm.
So why I do like both? They both have their advantages. I still say what an amazing time to be a trader.
Mm.
What we got? You look at the market analysis.
I did. Pretty bearish.
Bearish?
Yeah, in my opinion. That's kind of my bias. I think
We're down 0.3% on the day.
I think the obvious target is the low of yesterday. And if you take a look at it on a higher time frame chart, we bounced off that also 2 days ago, and we bounced off it kind of like about a few times at the middle of January.
Maybe go down to the 25-100.
Yeah, somewhere around there.
You want me to call you daddy? What the hell is wrong
Do you
with this
see
guy?
Daddy there?
Guys,
Where do
what
you
the
see Daddy?
fuck is wrong with this guy?
There is no D.
Oh my
There is
God.
no Y. It says dad.
Guys, I'm getting scared over here. Y'all know those Canadians.
You're gonna start. Yeah, I think I should start calling him Mom. Welcome to Mom and Dad's stream. I get to be Dad. I think it's only fair.
I'm not gonna do with this guy.
call-
Anybody? Help, please.
I called it
Help.
first.
You want to be mom? You don't have to put a
No.
wig on you. I can't be the mom. I got a beard. Which one of us looks like a man? Which one of us? Like, what do you even call that?
Be careful.
Hey.
Be careful. Okay, look, it's a hypothetical. That's all.
Look,
Market's
when
open in 7 seconds.
my son was smaller, probably somewhere around 4, right? I tell him, I say, "Are you a boy or a girl?" He's like, "I'm a boy." I'm like, "How do you know?" He's like, "I got a penis." I'm like, "Well, what about me? Am I a man or a woman?" He's like, "You're a man." I'm like, "How do you know?" He's like, "You got a beard." See? So easy a child can figure it out. Silence.
Markets are open.
Are they? Well, quit goofing around. Fuck.
Fuck, I gave some back.
Wait, who lectures about the diet? I don't lecture anybody about diet. Do what you want and be happy about it.
Whoa!
I took a short, but it was so fast I couldn't even blink my eye quicker.
Yeah, I took 15 lots on that dump.
Have any of y'all ever taken a 0.1 second short?
Yeah, he does lecture me a lot. Just saying.
What are we talking about? You lecturing me on my diet. You're always talking about a diet. Me, I'm like, I'm doing a 3-day fast. Yeah, it's over. I talked about the fast, did the fast, completed the fast, all in less time than you've talked about eating. What is that stuff?
Cottage cheese.
Cottage cheese.
Hey, cheater. 2-minute opening range. We're going to get all the way down to that level in, where is it? All right, we're getting into it if you guys want to watch it.
See, while you're eating cottage cheese, I do a day fast and eat a pizza.
Okay, we dipped into it. Nice.
What are we looking for?
Nice. Oh, dipping into that area there that I marked off on the chart down below.
I feel like I'm drowning in mucus, so if I sound weird, deal with it.
And bounce off it.
Mm-hmm.
Thought you don't get sick in the warm weather. I thought you guys were insulated from that.
We got kids. You got kids, you get sick.
Yeah, that's true. Not only do you get sick, oh, come on, Gold. Hold nice. Not only do you get sick, but it rotates.
Mm-hmm.
Goes from one child to another child to a parent, back to a child, back to the parent.
Mm-hmm. Sure enough does.
Not comfortable in that one. In that short, I took it took profits a little quicker.
Yeah, me too.
Because of that level now. We touched it already. People
And it
might
just-
think that's the bounce.
And it just spiked up and back down, spiked up again. come back down. It's like, this is your last chance I'm giving you. And I was like, fuck, okay.
I was going to get in early. Good thing I didn't.
Yeah, it worked out either way. But I got most of the money from it anyways, so.
Oh, we're getting so close.
Yeah, I meant to
Go
say,
up,
we
go up.
We dunked kind of hard yesterday. I didn't even realize it. I think it wasn't so obvious in the futures market.
Yeah.
But there was quite a few really big stocks that got hit really hard yesterday. Some really big names were down 10+%.
I think I'll take a break. Oh, wait a minute. We're going back up. Push. Fuck. Who's calling me now?
Just the doctor. Wants to know if you're still scheduling that appointment.
No! Oh, I just screwed up everything. Wrong side of the trade.
I thought you went long.
Was long. I don't know what I was. Wrong side of the trade. That's going to screw up my day and probably cost me the account now. Okay. 52.4. I was at 52.8. Who the fuck is calling me? See, that's why phones are stupid.
Stupid.
Threw me off. I wanted to go long and I went short by accident. Yeah, they're stupid.
These are stupid.
Straight of 8 down. I don't know. I mean, no, not for me, Al. It's working. Really? That didn't look like your number at all.
Maybe it was him incognito.
Go. 52.7. Okay. Internal error. Why do I feel like it's 9:36? Why do I feel like I have to make the $1,400 in like 10 minutes? Yeah, you're getting an internal server. No, I'm not getting that. I don't know. But you're with you're with Apex. I'm with Apex. Okay, come on, wait. We got a long here. Go push. 9:58. 9:58. Now I take a break. That is $42 away. Whoo! That was fun. That was high octane trading, man.
Mm-hmm.
So what do I need? If I need $40, what size should I trade? A 2-lot, 10 points. Just went short. Just went short again. No. Oh, fuck off. 905. That cost me a bit.
That's language. This is a family show.
No, it's not. Push. Close. 53.44. Done. How long did it take me? 7 minutes. $1,400.
How many of you guys have been here long enough that y'all remember Mike telling me this is a family show, not to curse anymore?
Okay, I'm done. That's all the fucking I was here. That's all the stress I can take. My look. I can't trade anymore. My brain can't think. I used all my brain energy on that.
Oh, so you're ICT? Can't trade?
Can't trade anymore.
ICTA?
Mm-hmm. He was telling me when I used to trade next to him, oh, I miss those days. Mute his mic and tell me, shut up, stop swearing.
Yeah. See, Alex knows.
Oh, I miss those days. Man, I miss those days. It was heaven for me. Now I have to trade with Omnius.
I know, right?
Now I have to trade with Omnius. You don't know, it worked out. It worked out. I met a great partner.
Yeah, he wanted to kick for a while with me, Alex. Like, we can't swear on the stream. He didn't even want. He said, "Omnius, don't say HE double hockey sticks."
Did I say that one?
I'm like, what hell? He's like, don't say that. I'm like, come on, my kids say that at school.
Didn't I tell you?
I'm like, come on, man.
Yeah, I remember.
I even asked my kid. I was like, "Is hell a bad word?" And they're like, "No."
Hey, we were figuring things out. We were
Well,
finding
it's
our
funny
groove.
to look back at.
I still see it on some channels. They use the word unalived.
Yeah, they don't want you to.
They talk about what's happening in Minneapolis with the ICE agents, and they say that whatever the girl's name was there, Good, she was unalived.
Yeah.
They don't use the word with the Kill.
That's the
So
proper.
there's got to be a reason.
They don't want like violent words and stuff. So yeah, I know about those. YouTube's weird. They're like,
Yeah, well,
they don't really. It's kind of a secret. You got to guess which words you can say and can't say.
but then you said that there was an update to the policy. Gold got under 5,000, and you were right. There was an update to the policy. I did see it.
Yeah.
I did see it. I don't remember it anymore. Trade Evade down. I just got the message. That's funny. Oh, you guys trade with Trade Evade. I'm getting my data from Trade Evade, but I'm trading with Ninja Trader. Yeah. Okay, maybe I'll do a little Bullnox magic.
I need something to tell me like which bot's in a trade, like where I need to look.
Okay.
Got 3 bots running on 3 different charts, 2 different windows. I get in a trade, I can't even find out who's causing me the problems.
Mm-hmm. Apparently, the majority so far don't want you calling me Dad. I don't know why.
I mean, that's kind of weird.
It's a sign of respect. Why is it kind of weird?
Telling another guy to call you daddy?
No, you see, you're adding the D and the Y. I didn't say daddy. Daddy has a different connotation than dad. Dad is respectful.
Ask Alex. Alex, should I call him daddy?
Okay. If you say that one more time, I'm getting off the street. I'm leaving.
See, it sounds weird when you put it that way, huh?
It does. Okay. The poll has ended. You win. How do I end the poll? I need a new poll. End poll. Look, not all my ideas can be good. Okay.
All right, new poll. Should Mike call Omnius dad?
Mommy. What the fuck is happening in this weird stream? I don't know. You know what? Omnius gives me these ideas the night before. He tells me to do them. Says that's going to be our material for the day and makes me look bad.
Skeletor, where was you when I was calling for help?
He sets me up.
Guy wants me to call him dad. How about Papa? Does that work? Hey, Papa.
Papa don't preach.
Do they say Papa in Canada?
They do. Probably, I don't know.
They say it in the States, but like you don't hear it that much in the South. I guess I don't know.
Really? It sounds like a South. It sounds South. Papa.
It does,
Do
doesn't
you
it?
know how much shrimp I caught in the boat, Papa?
Yeah, you don't hear it that much. So when you hear people say it, it's like, wow, there's Papa, huh?
Hey, I started coding the 1 minute or the 15-minute break thing, whatever. Opening range break retest.
Oh, yeah?
Let's apply it to the chart and let's see what it does. Data series indicator strategy, CCC, where is it?
I had a problem getting the retest.
44, 46.
Originally, that's what I was
ready to
looking
go.
for.
Boom.
Was the retest.
I just need to see if it marks it off properly. That's what time is it? 9:44. I still have time. I also got to see at what time open range. Perfect. Boom, it's gone. Let's see if it brings it in blue, and I got to see when it brings it in. So 9:45, does it do it right away? Ah, there you go, it does it right away. Did it do the right ones? That's the 9:30 to 9:31 candle. Perfect. You know, because it's very difficult with NQ, because of the and with Ninja, because of the way they play with the times.
Mm-hmm.
Remember, their candles show the closing time, not the starting time. So you have to start it at 9:31, not at 9:30. Because if you start it at 9:30, you're going to get the 9:29 to 9:30 candle. Okay, so there you go. I have the box. That's the most important thing.
What if that's the original way that my bot got screwed around?
Maybe. I don't know.
Maybe. For those that don't know, my bot goes on a 2-minute chart, odd candles, not even.
Funny. So you won't be able to use my CCC. I think we're going to make the coding co-op. What's it called? What's the CCC?
What's
Coders
the CCC?
Collab channel. The Coders Collab channel. We're going to do it by invite only. Not that I just because just to keep it clean. I don't want someone coming in there and spamming with their bots and saying, hey, I got this, and so everybody can join, but it's going to be by invite only. That makes sense.
I mean, if somebody comes in and they start spamming or something, you just kick them out.
Nah, I don't want to deal with it. I figure anybody who's interested really in checking out the bots and playing with the indicators and stuff, they'll just ask, and I'll add them to the invite list, and away you go. That way it'll be clean. I don't have to think about it. You get some weird people. There's this guy futures trader. He's hanging out in the evening stream and the overnight stream. And there was some guy coming in. He told me he lost $20,000 in Bitcoin. Can I help him out?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, where do I send the check?
Oh, you should.
Only $20K?
You learn the answer to this question from me. You don't remember?
No, I don't. I'm already laughing because I know it's going to be funny, but
yeah, the answer is yes. I'd love to send you $20,000. Just
what?
Yeah, just send me your bank account number and your PIN number. I'll get right on it. Remember the guy that wanted $50?
Mm-hmm.
I was trying to be friends with the guy. I told him I'd send him some money. Just give me his bank account and PIN number, and I'll get right on it. What can you do, right?
Yep.
I need flags, man. Why don't I ever code flags? It shows the entries, but if I have to switch over to the other account, take the trade, then I don't get to see the trade no more.
Do we have a no eating on stream rule?
No, eating is cough drops.
Okay. Let's take a poll. Should we make an exception for cough drops?
Of course.
Wow, that was a crazy morning. That was super fun.
There used to be this Asian streamer in one of those Asian countries. I forget his name.
Mm-hmm.
Trades by Matt used to be in love with him.
Oh yeah.
And the guy was like constantly eating on stream.
Oh yeah.
It's like, how much damn food does this guy eat? And you know the Asian people, they're like super skinny.
Oh, it's unbelievable. It's just super skinny, and you can't tell their age.
Yeah, and it's like, dude, been eating on stream for hours. Like every time you go to the guy's video, he's eating. How in the hell?
A friend of mine saw a woman get hit by a car, and she was like passed out on the street. He called 911. So he reported the accident, and they asked the age. He goes, I don't know. She's Asian. It could be anywhere from 20 to 50. Which is true. You can't tell with them. Some of them, some of the older ones really look young. The Asians, Latin. I find a lot of the Latin people also.
A friend of mine is from
They really hold their looks into their...
friend of mine's Filipino. And he looks a lot younger.
Yeah.
I think he's like your age, looks younger than me. But I think she's like 30. Yep, some people just look young for a long time. I was watching this video yesterday, and the guy was talking about all these people trapped in Bitcoin.
Okay. What's it at now? Just so I don't have to look.
You want me to look so you don't have to look.
I don't know. If people are talking, you think it's in the 60s.
Yeah, it's kind of irrelevant what the price is. 75.
Oh, no kidding. Got below 80. Okay.
But I think the thing is, a lot of these big crypto people have been averaging in over the years.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Now they've been buying so high, averaging in. Now their average price is so high. They were saying that two of the guys are down like almost like $8 billion.
Was that you telling me that story last night or somebody else?
Yeah, that was me.
Okay.
But the one guy I think is like the owner of MicroStrategy. I don't think it's just him. It's like the company.
Mm-hmm.
I forget who the other guy was. But the problem is, if they're leveraged, there's a lot of people with crypto is like extremely leveraged. So if they're leveraged, and then they're already down like $8 billion, I mean, sooner or later they'd be liquidated. What do you think that's going to do to crypto?
Yeah.
I mean, if the money's already there, you can be like, well, it's mine, I own it, I can hold it forever. But when you're borrowing money, a lot of people don't know how leverage works, how margin works. I mean, if you go below a certain, you can only borrow a certain percentage of your account. So if your account goes below that, then you have to get your borrowed amount back below a certain percentage, which means you have to liquidate. Rate of 8 still down? Weird. Oh man, where you at? I'm just shopping sideways today.
Say that again?
And I'm just chopping sideways?
Yeah.
What's our range? 160. I mean, we got a nice range, but look at the chart. It's just kind of sideways. You working on over there?
Setting the wind for the game. The wind.
It's the little things in life that get you excited, huh?
I'm not trading anymore. That's it. Like I said, I used all my mental energy. My brain is exhausted now.
Mikey says, news at 10, red folder. I do remember we got news today. Thanks, Mikey. If my internet would load, I'd tell you what it is. I think it was PMI or something, wasn't it? It won't load. Come on, man. You can load. Order submitted. Who did it? PMI 10 o'clock. My goodness. Okay. I'll take this one.
Funny, I can't get into my Bullinox account, so I guess no, Bullinox is rhythmic.
Oh man.
It doesn't make sense.
I took the trade, but before I could find out where the take profit was supposed to be and move it, it already hit it. We gotta figure out a solution. I mean, I could always just put the bot on this account, but I was kind of liking being able to see it and manually trade it. Damn bot, worked fine on the trade I lost. What was the error, Mikey? The bot gave an error?
And worked fine on the trade. I lost, aired out on this last. I would have won. That's not funny, but I'm laughing because I know that I feel the pain. I know the pain.
Mm-hmm.
It's crazy. It's frustrating that, eh? ES is continuing to show more strength than NQ.
I feel like there was a way I was doing it before where I could have the bot on sim account, then take the trades on the eval or the master. Get my news coming. Oh, that was it right there, isn't it? Lewis, good morning. Yep, PMI right now. Mikey unable to load ATM. So Mikey, on your bots, you choose what ATM you use? I tried to get a bot to do that before and it never could figure it out.
Hey.
Lewis taking trades today? We're coming down to the value area low of this range. Yeah, it got chopped up. It had a nice range, but there was quite a bit of chop in there. Look at all that, all those wicks.
Let me take a look.
It's crazy because this right here, I measured it was, what, like 160 points? Yeah.
Did you target this one, Mikey, by any chance? 26 volume HA. Pulled into the bands. Was a nice one. Got a couple of longs here also that you could have scalped off of. Good job.
Lewis, I knew we were going short and did the opposite. Isn't it crazy how we get tricked into doing that?
Yeah, it's been a while. I haven't done that. I'm due. I'm due. That's so sad to say that.
Right? I tell myself over and over and over, don't go counter trend. Unless we're at I try to set up rules for a counter trend because I feel like we naturally want to do it. So it's like, okay, if we can meet all these rules, then I'll think about it. But then sometimes I see it and it's just natural and it's like, just jump in. Okay. It's terrible. We all do it.
Yeah. I think also we want to try and catch a bottom or something. I think that's feeding the ego a little bit, at least with me. I can't maybe speak for other people, but for me, it's wanting to feed the ego.
Like if you're going to try to catch the bottom, you need like several confluences. You need something on the chart, price action that's telling you this is a good spot. Then you need a candle pattern or something.
Okay, we'll restart the computer.
I seen one guy and he said with a big move, he was saying the percentage of the first time failure. And I don't remember what it was. It was something high and it's like, dang, everybody's trying to catch that bottom You have this really high percentage failure.
Mm.
But then sometimes you see it and it just like dives down, and then like you get that V-shaped reversal. Like, oh man, I could have caught that. It was a few months ago. We was getting the V-shaped reversals every day.
Yeah. Let's see if we can catch the bottom like we did yesterday. We'll watch for that trade. We'll watch for that setup.
Like I said, we are at the value area low of this range. By this range, once again, I mean the one we've been in since September.
Mm.
And we can see on the 4 hour some of these bounces here.
I'm tempted to trade, but I only want to do it on a throwaway account because I do know my brain is tired and I'm susceptible to making mistakes and to gambling now. So
Yeah, you was up all night streaming, weren't you?
I was. Did you check my timestamps? And that talking about that, I don't have timestamps on your chat. I never know when people are typing stuff in.
You got that extension?
Well, you don't need an extension. There's in the chat, you just click on a thing and it says show timestamps and you enable it, but it doesn't work on yours for some reason.
I think that only works on yours.
You see right here? I got it on my screen. Hold on. Right there. Show timestamps.
I don't see it.
Wait, give it 8 seconds. Timestamps.
Hey, you're on top chat.
Yeah, always on top chat. But they have that on every what do you call it? On every chat. I go to your chat, I type in timestamps and nothing doing. I mean, I don't type it in, but you know, I do the thing.
I guess so.
And they
When
don't
they have
show up.
that? Learn something new every day.
Hmm.
I got an
Okay.
extension for it anyways. And I can go to people's profiles and hang out with them.
Hmm.
We all want to check out.
Well, I'm waiting for an A+ setup. For that, we needed to break the internal low without taking out this low over here. We didn't get it. We did trade into a discount, but could have entered over here. But that would have been only a B trade. They don't always all set up perfectly. Hey, Gilad.
Glad, good morning.
Good afternoon.
EMI came in about as expected. No major news there.
We were having fun on stream and then I got distracted with something. I don't even remember what. No, I'm not having as much fun as I was having before.
Think you were blowing on your balls or something?
Yeah, where are my balls? Let's get them out here.
There's something about the wind on your balls?
Ah, yeah, putting wind on the balls. Yeah, but now let's get out my Chinese balls. Let's get out my stress balls. I got a very busy day today.
Good afternoon. It's afternoon already?
Yeah, well, in some parts of the world, a
Yeah.
lot of Europe, 7 hours ahead of us. 8.
Kind of like time travel. Should ask him what the market's going to be doing 7 hours from now.
Yeah, if only it worked that way, eh? Only it worked that way. Yep, if it did. Okay, so that was a nice trade. Where was the entry?
Remember that one time my chart was lagging? And I was looking at the other chart and I was like, hey, I know what it's going to do 30 seconds from now. I know the future. It didn't work, though. I took the trade and it didn't work.
No, you get filled at the real price, even if your chart's lagging.
Well, actually, I think that time it showed it getting filled at the price that it was at. But then when I ended the trade, I won the trade, but I still lost. I lost a winning trade.
Yeah. Why I didn't take that trade, Gilad, on this, because we didn't take out an internal low. So we have a market structure shift, got a little bit of an expansion, nothing crazy, but a little bit of an expansion. But I wanted to take out this internal low to make it an A+ trade. But without taking out that low, the entry was on this candle when we closed above these two bullish, the bullish order block.
Lewis said he took the long.
Yeah, no, it was a good trade, but it was like a B trade. But besides that, I'm not taking any more trades. I blew my load. I'm done. Yeah, for me, it would be an A+ if we were able to sweep a low without taking out this low here. Let me move this away. Without taking out the major low, you know. So if we sweep the low and then we go and we take out we get a change of state of delivery, or we invert a bearish fair value gap, that's your entry. But it didn't get it this time. It needed to come down a little bit lower.
100 ticks long, sweet.
That's the thing with ICT. You sit and you wait and you wait and you wait and you wait and you wait.
I can't remember the 100 steps it takes to take a trade on ICT.
Nah, come on. ICT simple. It's 4 steps.
And they'll say, you didn't look at the 15-minute. You didn't look at the hourly.
Nah.
We need an hourly gap. We need a 15-minute gap. We need a retrace. We need to break a structure. We need a SMT. Like, that's a lot of work just to lose the trade.
I think that's on the demand. You can die. You wait all the time. Yeah. But no, it's simple. I don't go to the higher time frames. I just look for the setup. You know, when we're coming down like that, we broke into this into that zone here. I'm expecting a bounce up. You know, step 1, expansion, market structure shift. Mm-hmm. Very easy to wait for. You just I got it on the 15-second chart. Some people are probably doing it on the 1-minute chart. The 1-minute chart, I'm not going to get a market structure shift till we break 25,313. We're already at the high. Like, it doesn't work. Oh, by the way, we had the 15-minute retest at 25,231.
Did it win or did it lose?
It depends on what your settings are. I don't know.
Yeah.
If you stopped out for 10 points, you lost, probably.
Yeah, I think that would have been a loser today. What do we got?
If you're 10 for 10, the way it trades my math
that's
says
34 points. Yeah, that would have been a loser.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't even know if it would have came down to take profit right there. So I might have went up to this one, 42 points. Yeah, that would have been a loser.
Is it as good a trade, though, when you're taking it at 10.14 rather than when you break it earlier on?
I think it goes.
And retest it within 3 candles or something?
No, I think it's still good, but I think you're looking at the price action also coming into it. And we just missed it by 5 points. So if you took that first one, if you front run it by 5 points and you got in, then you could have took 20 points. But to me, that's kind of testing it and then retesting it right away.
Yeah, and it's kind of hindsighty also. Because if you're gonna front run it today, that means you got to front run it all the time.
Right. So to me, I would have saw that it came up to my entry, didn't take it, front run it, and then went down, went back up, and I said, no, I'm not going to take the second try. And then you can see the strong candle just break right through it. So to me, all that would have been screaming, probably shouldn't be in this trade. Once again, that's hindsight, so might have been different in the moment. So who knows?
Yes, Gilad, Bullinox uses NinjaTrader with Rhythmic. They also have Project X, but you can't get it anymore because Project X is pulling the rug, pulling the plug.
How can I find the graph that shows on the screen? What graph?
Your chart.
It's on the screen. Sorry, Adam, I'm a bit confused with the question.
How can he get it on his computer? How do I get that? How do I get that chart?
Oh, NinjaTrader?
What indicators? What are your settings?
Adam, is that what you're asking?
You're welcome, Adam.
You guys just use the strategy. New here. GC, that's gold, right? Killing it.
Gold, yeah.
NQ should be good too on this move down. You guys just use the strategy. What strategy?
I don't know, your main bot or whatever. No,
Mr. Knight, we use several strategies.
Yeah,
some of them are kind of the same between the two of us. Some of them are different. We look for different things. We're pretty much open to everything. Talk about all kinds of different strategies. Generally, I think we both kind of trend traders, look for pullbacks. Mike likes to do a little bit of ICT sometimes, find reversals. Chart am I on? I use generally the 2-minute chart, kind of show direction. You can see here or below these EMA bands. I like to look for shorts below it, longs above it. Though I will say down here, we're really far down, so we're really far away from the band. You might be able to look for a reversal. And then generally, I'll use either a 1-minute or a 2600 Heikin-Ashi chart.
Gilad, Bullinox, how many accounts can you get? Bullinox allows you to have as many as 11 accounts, but you can't activate them all right away. You have to reach profit target on... You can get 3 right away if you're talking about the master accounts. You can get 3, and then when you reach your target on one of them, you can activate your 4th, and I think it just keeps working like that. If you're asking how much do they cost, they're 89. I'm not sure which one you're at, what question you're asking. If you're asking how much as far as cost goes, it's 89% off. I just picked up a couple yesterday. I think it was $19 for the 50K. Done for the day. Green. Excellent, Skeletor.
Sweet, Skeletor. Mr. Knife, what kind of strategy are you working on? We also work with bots and create bots. We've been talking about setting up a community where people can share their ideas on bots and different things they want to create, work together on them.
Yeah, you were trading with minis, eh, Skeletor?
Full custom bot. So yeah, Mr. Knight, you might be interested in that. Haven't quite set it up yet, but if you want to subscribe and hang around, Mike's been talking about setting that up in the Discord. So be sure to join the Discord.
Yeah, join the Discord. You should duplicate it in your Discord. Maybe even there's a way that we can duplicate it.
Yeah, we're working on it. It's work in progress. So we want to try to get a think tank together, how we can make better bots and what they can do. I like bot trading. Mike likes bot trading. I do the bot trade. I do the manual trades.
But no, definitely not full custom bot. Actually, even to be honest with you, I often run the bots on a sim and I take the trades manually. Just because I I'm kind of a skeptic, and you don't trust the bot. I don't ever want it to start having a heart attack. I've seen it do some crazy things sometimes. I think that was just because I was coding poorly in the beginning, but I've seen it do some crazy, like take 1,000 trades in a second. So
here's a question. Here's a question for you, Mike. We haven't really thought about this. I know you can do it. Just never thought about it. Can I install the chart that you show on the computer?
Of course.
You can
let the trade run. Yeah.
You can send people your charts. Never thought about that.
Yeah, that's true too.
I don't even know how you go about it.
Let me take a look. I got time.
Adam, we'll have to check into that. Check back. Don't really know.
It's got to be on the export.
If you want to create the chart that I have on screen now, I do have a video that shows you how to create it. It's called 2600 volume Heikin-Ashi chart. It shows you there how to create the chart, and it also works great on the 1 minute Heikin-Ashi.
You know what it is? When you click templates and you click load, and you have all your templates.
Yeah.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
I think you can just copy them. I could just copy one of this like here, the 1 minute chart PC pinball. Let's say that was the one loaded. So I can just copy that one, not over here. Yeah, I can't loading. No, not over here, but I can just go into my file directory, copy it, and paste it. I think somewhere, let's say in Discord, and if someone were to copy it and put it into their folder, I think it would show.
Is that the template?
Yeah, the template.
You have templates. Sorry, I wasn't listening much to you. You got the load templates, and is there a way to?
Yeah. So you would just copy it. You would copy one of the template that you're using, or you'd save it, copy it, and then drop it in Discord. And I think you can just drop it. The person could just drop it in their file folder, and it'll work. I'm pretty sure, because I used to transfer my templates from one computer to the other, and I wasn't doing it with import or export. I was just dropping them onto.
But then you also have to have all the indicators.
Yeah, if there's any custom indicators, it won't work. Like ADX or anything, it won't work.
You'd have to find all the indicators on the chart and all that and put it into a folder. I don't know. Never really thought about it. Like I said, I had to look into that. Lewis is like a bot for entries and then manage the trade. You can do that. The bot I have now, trying to work with Claude to make it so I can change the entries, but haven't quite got that far yet. The other one, I can change the entries. Mr. Knife, have a good day, guys. Mr. Knife, thanks for hanging out. Have a good day. Look forward to seeing you back. Appreciate you guys. Can you send your chart as a template? Yeah, I'm gonna have to look into that. But it might be difficult because I have a lot of custom indicators also. So I gotta figure out which indicators. I think all these are just standard indicators. This delta down here wouldn't work because I had to route that through a bunch of different things. So that's kind of complicated. Everything on the chart kind of seems like a lot, but it's all kind of basic stuff. Go over real quick if y'all want to. We got the open range is this gray box. These gray lines coming out. Purple line is the Globex open. Purple line here is the VWAP. These red and green lines kind of in the background, those are 30-second fair value gaps. So it's nice to know you're breaking a gap, or how it acts. What else we got? We got these red and green kind of dash lines here. This is a EMA channel. If you want to know how to create an EMA channel, ask Mike. He'll tell you all about it. This red line, I believe, is previous day's low. I always get confused on not using that much. Yep, previous day's low. No. Daily low? I don't know. I don't use them that much. Orange dash is here and the green there is only on because I got the bot on. And that's another super trend. And the chart's a 2600 volume Heikin-Ashi chart. Here's a video on how to set it up if anybody's interested. Send your chart as a template.
Gold's just been trading lower.
But how do you save it as a template, Lewis?
You right click on your chart, you go to template on the bottom.
Yeah,
and then
yeah.
Save as.
Right. So you have it saved, but then how do you send that?
You just go into your you go into your files, like when I transfer you Python files and stuff and all that.
So you go into your NinjaTrader files?
Go into your folder, yeah, and pull it out. Copy
Okay.
it and paste it somewhere. And a person can just dump it in. Pretty sure. Not 100%, but pretty sure. Pretty sure that's how I did it.
He's saying save workspace.
Yeah, it's another way to do it, but then he gets all your charts. Like if you have multiple charts up.
I'd have to.
I got 6 charts up. You guys only see one, but I got 6 charts up. If I save the workspace, you get them all.
Yeah. I guess you could save the workspace, send it. Just have to create a new workspace and take those other ones out, and then find out how to. I'm on Top Chat too. I was getting on to you. I'm on it too. Guys, I missed your
what? The
comments
thing is, it's very annoying. It changes.
Yeah.
I changed it to live chat, and it goes back to Top Chat. Skeletor, I sent you a message there. Where is it? The account details on the website telling you if you failed the 30% or if you've broken that 30%. If you breached the 30% consistency requirement for PA. I looked. I didn't see it anywhere. I clicked around.
Maybe you haven't violated it yet.
Maybe they're rolling it out. You think only if you violate it, it shows.
I don't know where it shows. I haven't seen it yet either.
I'm thinking maybe they're rolling it out.
But that's what I heard people talking about is now they send you a thing telling you what's in the dashboard, and then you got to wait 8 days after that to request a payout. So, the way I understood it, you see when you violated and you have to trade 8 more days after that violation, your last violation.
Okay, just go on the account. Okay, I'll look around, Skeletor. Omnius will make a video. Yeah, Omnius should make a video on how to how to set up the chart.
Adam, green and red candles. What indicator is this? Sorry, I didn't even see that comment before. Will you make a video on how to make your chart? Adam, I have a video. Just go to my videos. It's called 2600 volume Heikin-Ashi chart.
You make a new one for us? I'd appreciate it.
I'm probably not going to make a new video. I've already got one. Let me make sure I got the name right.
Can you update it?
It's called How to Trade 2600 Volume Heikin-Ashi NinjaTrader. 5-minute video.
Omnius, I have so many questions for you and I don't have time to ask them.
Go watch the video.
No, not about the chart. Other stuff.
Oh. While you're salivating and not asking, I'm going to take a break.
There's so many things I don't understand. Can I request a vid on how to make 2,601 Heikin-Ashi charts at Omnius Trades? Yeah, I think so.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah.
I should do that.
Maybe I'll put that one out.
That's funny.
Maybe I'll even use a Martha Stewart voice. Or no, who's not Martha Stewart? First you put the Coco. Who was the girl that had a voice like that when she was a cooker? She was a
Totally
cook.
different chart, Mikey. Totally different.
It's some people call it the Holy Grail.
I will say there has been an update to the chart. On the video, I have an EMA crossover. On the chart now, I have an EMA band. Mike, while I'm taking a break, you could tell people how to make an EMA band.
Yeah.
You ain't got nothing better to do.
Give me homework. Thank you, teacher. That was a British lady. Yeah, it was. But what was her name? Sure, I'll tell people how to. He's laughing. He gave me homework. How do you make an EMA band? You load one EMA. You choose the time period as the high. You load the same EMA. You choose the time period as the low. That will give you a band. Why is a band better than a line? You'll get a lot less false signals. With a line, you can close above, below, above, below, above, below, above, below. But me, I require a full bar above or a full bar below. So all the, all the, what do you call it? I don't know, you can't say bouncing, but do I have a chart up? Like over here, you have the bands. We came into the bands, we've traded above the bands, but I don't switch my bias to long yet. It comes back down, and my bias would switch to long on this candle right here, because that's a full, if I expand it out, that's a full candle. There's a little bit of distance between, so now my bias changes to long. And in order to get back to a short bias, I would need a full candle below. So it makes it a lot harder to switch the bias. There'll be a lot less false signals. A lot less chop. Yeah, what was her name, the British lady? I said Martha Stewart. It's not Martha Stewart, that's for sure not. But we all know who she is. Okay, let's see. Can I log into NinjaTrader? I was getting... Oh my God! Hey, isn't that what Alex wrote? Al, are you still there? You were saying something about unknown error or something? Coach Fred, Omnius. Where's the A's? Mikey. Hey, there we go. Tradeovate down. I'm sorry, can't log in. Internal error. Yeah, I was getting... I'm getting unknown error. That's the funny thing. So we were getting the same kind of funny errors. But yet only me and you. That's odd. If you're still there, Alex, let me know if you still have the problem or if it cleared up. And nope. Oh, it's perfect. Just good timing. Because I'm going to close down my see, the bands would still keep me with a long bias. So actually one of the trade setups is when you come into the bands and then you get a bullish candle, a continuation. So that would be a long trade. Obviously a long trade that's going to fail, but that would also be a long trade over there. And that long trade did well. Yes, they can't all be winners. But here's a nice short trade that worked. Mikey was talking about that one. He took that one. Maybe you can combine it with a higher time frame. With a higher time frame bias. Omnius, I'm gonna just go off the stream for a few seconds here. My mic is still on, I think.
Hey, buddy, I still see you.
You do, yeah.
My stream does too.
Yeah, you see me.
Right.
Yeah, but you don't see my screen.
I'm just saying, we still see you on my stream.
Yeah. No, I have no problem with that. It's just I just took it off the off my charts, my main screen, whatever. I just got to do something quick.
I was just like, wow, I hope he's not trying to do something private.
No. I mean, yeah, but no. Not that kind of private thing. There we go. That's weird. Yeah, so I can't log into... I can't log into...
SUNY Mary Berry. Not sure what that means, but sounds cool.
We can still you, Mike. You can still me? You can still hear me? Yeah. I know. Mike's on. Just fixing some stuff. But Mikey, in the meanwhile, I'm gone. Take this free moment to hit subscribe.
Lewis, most of those are free indicators. Yes, most of those are free indicators. Say workspace. When you make a video, we talked about that. I have a video. The British Cook.
Okay. Yeah, the one with that voice there. First you go to put the cocoa.
Hey,
you know what I'm talking about?
To the new guys, I think Suni, you was here yesterday, right? Adam,
Yeah.
Lewis, you were here yesterday too. Mr. Knight, I think you left, but if you're still there, y'all type in giveaway ? Sign up for the giveaway game. We're gonna do in about half an hour to an hour.
Yeah,
And what we'll do is
11.
we'll do some qualifiers, and then on Friday we'll give away. We're gonna give away a Bullinox account. So
No goal today. I think bullish is going to come after this crash.
we trade for a little bit, and then we try to unwind, play some games, and then Friday give away an account. Plus, we're a
Dang.
smaller stream, so we don't get a lot of giveaways. So
I got you in there,
Way to do
Bangs. I'm getting wrecked today. Oh, that's too bad. I have no idea how I would have done because I think I stopped after 7 minutes of trading. Perfect. I'm going to take a look. But also, like Omnia said, maybe it's possible that it doesn't show up because I didn't violate it. I don't know. I'm just thinking. Just brainstorming. Gilad, I think you're in already. I think you're in with 2 balls.
you got Suni
Yeah.
in,
You're in with 2 balls.
or Sunny,
Sunny.
however you want to pronounce it. I don't know.
Sunny Suni's got 2 balls. She typed in giveaway in the overnight stream.
All right, cool.
Suni's in already. I think the only one with just 1 ball is Bangs.
Suni,
Sorry, Bang.
Suni, we're gonna work this out real quick, so you're not cursing at me on the other side of the screen saying, "I wish this fucking guy would get my name right." Suni,
Yeah,
I say
no,
a name
serious.
right, and then you just type in a Y quickly after, and we're gonna get this right. All right, let's go. If it's right, you type Y. If it's not, okay, is it Suni? typed yes, but he typed before I even said it. Yes.
I know he
okay,
did.
so it is sunny. Okay. 'Cause
Okay,
my
now
other-
try the other one. Now say, is
Okay.
it sunny?
Now, is it sunny? No. Okay, so it's confirmed it's sunny.
It's confirmed it's sunny.
Everybody wants their name pronounced properly. We do our best. If we don't have it right, please let us know. We'll figure it out. Or probably
That's
Mike.
only fair.
Mike will. He's pretty good at that stuff.
Only fair. I mean, you like to be called Omnius, and most people say Omnius.
What?
Omnius.
Most people get it confused with the other one. Ominous.
Ominous.
It's not.
It's not ominous.
Ominous. It's not ominous.
Wow, still bouncing off that level there. Looks like it still could be a nice valid bounce. A couple of wicks. Big wicks over there. And we got a nice little expansion. Market structure shift. F8. Did we get into a discount? Boom, boom, boom. We did. But the entry's not in a discount. But we do have an entry all the way up here. That's a sucky entry. I'd give that a C-. Much better if we can break this internal low and then get an entry. I'm not even going to mark that up. However, if I was scalping, still scalping, I would take scalps to the long now with pleasure.
Looked
Easily.
Omnius up and it didn't have a nice definition. What did it say? Did you look up Omnius or did you look up ominous? I guess that's the question. The only thing I found on Omnius is it's a race of AI in the Dune series. They want to kill everybody. Being or showing a sign of evil or misfortunate to come. No, Lewis. That's the other one.
Oh, yeah.
That's
He's doing ominous.
That's what?
He's doing ominous.
Yeah, ominous. Yep, you looked up Omnius. No. That's so hard to go back and forth.
I don't know why you would do that. I don't know why you would choose a name that's so hard to get right.
It's
I
easy
told
to get
you.
right. It's just hard
I
to
told you.
go from one to the other back to
How many times did I tell you?
That's ominous. How do you pronounce it?
Ominous.
Ominous. Yeah, either way. You have an ominous feeling. Or you look at those ominous clouds, dark, gray, doomy clouds. Nah, Omnius is way worse, man. That's just a race of AI that wants to like take over the universe. I thought it was very fitting, right? With the whole like trading and bots and AI and I don't know if you type in Omnius, does it go to my channel or does it still go to other channels about AI? I found me. Maybe it's just because I'm the one looking. I don't know. How about this video? Omnius, the AI ruler.
He's got no idea.
What? Who's got no idea?
You got no idea.
You pulling pranks over there again?
No. No.
Guys, which way are we looking? We're looking to buy, we're looking to sell. Still under the 2-minute bands. We failed to make a lower low.
That's just so funny. Hi. We're in a loop.
You looping?
No, I'm not looping.
Hell, you playing over there now?
Mikey's stuck in a loop, apparently. Mikey, you might Control-Alt-Delete. Maybe you can go into Task Manager and then End Process.
I seen that video change. Want to go long, which probably means I should go short. Isn't that crazy? This is why I try to use the 2-minute for direction. If you look at the 2-minute chart, all day it's just been short. Just come back up, short it, come back up, short it. Don't always work, but tries to.
Not really centered in your on the camera on your stream, eh? You need to fix the cropping.
Yeah, I don't know why you're way off to the side of the picture.
I don't know. Could it be because I moved my computer with the camera on it? Can you tell I have nothing to do?
There was a guy the other night. He was getting so mad about being off the side of the.
Okay, so we boom, 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 boom. We broke an internal low. Boom. Did we see? No. Boom, boom. Did we get above? No. Did we get above? No. Did we get above? No. No. We're still waiting to close above. Okay, we can have a long trade here soon.
Yeah, you can take a long trade. Take it.
No, yeah. Got to close above a bullish order block. Theoretically, it would be here, but I would make it over there. Those are my ICT simple whirls.
Whirls?
My rolls, yeah, rolls. The rolls. My rolls are more lax. They're more easier to find a trade. Get you in earlier.
The chart looks kind of cluttered, but it's really just because we're kind of not really trending.
Are you still trading, or are you done for today?
I don't know. If I find a good trade, I'll take it. If I don't, I won't. I don't really ever say like I'm done or I'm not done. I just, I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
I hang out, and if I see a good trade, I take it. And if I don't, I don't. I don't want to short this, but got a lot of buy-ups from this area. What accounts am I working on? Ooh, I'm not doing that one. No, I'm not doing that one either. All right.
The bias is short on top step.
Need to go talk to my Apex.
Wow, I can't believe gold got all the way down to 49.10. I was really hoping it would hold over 5,000 and get back up to 5,200. Somebody was asking, all joking aside, somebody was asking about the U.S. dollar Japanese yen intervention in the overnight stream last night. I really couldn't answer him. I don't really follow fundamentals too much. Do you know what they were talking about by any chance?
Don't really know much of that subject, but I do know I seen a video a few weeks ago and talking about how the yen's on like the brink of collapse. And the US dollar is not doing that great either. So people are scared of currencies right now, I think. I think a good sign of that is, like I talked about the other day, if we go over here to the TLT, that is the US 20-year bonds, and you can see that they've been almost crashing. And if you see this line right here that says POS, that stands for, if I'm above it, it stands for position. But if I'm under that line, it stands for piece of shit. And that's the US bonds right now. So why is that important? Because that generally is an inverse to the stock market, gold, stuff like that. We go all the way back here to 2003. You see it generally rises. And then right around 2002, it kind of collapsed. And this keeps going down. That means nobody wants to buy the US debt, 20-year bonds. And the fact that Bitcoin is crashing. A lot of major stocks yesterday were down over 10%. So you got a lot of really good companies kind of crashing. And gold's had this nice pullback, and yet still people won't buy bonds. So what does it mean? I don't know, but it means that there's a lot of fear and uncertainty in the market. So the question is, rich people don't go cash. So where are they putting their money? That's the question. They're not putting it in Bitcoin. They're not putting it in crypto. They're not putting it in some of these major stocks. So are they all buying gold, or they're not buying 20-year bonds? So what are they doing? Where are they putting the money? And if all these rich people are cash, like Berkshire Hathaway, that means they're expecting something big to happen. All right, my chart back up. Switched over to Apex.
Hello, Tyrannosaurus Rex. That's what your name looks like to me on a fast glance. What is your name? Tarunks. Good morning, Tarunks. Hello, Tarunks. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. I am an 18-year-old hustler. If I make a 10x better thumbnail for your live streams, will you consider it? How will I know that it's 10x better? Isn't that subjective? I'm just saying. Like, if we have a focus group and we show it to 100 people, do you think are they all going to say it's 10x better?
Possible.
I'll send you first. If you like it, you can get it. Omnius, what do you say? It's like almost an offer you can't refuse, eh? We have a problem, Tarunks. What happens if you send it to me and then I just make it myself? Have you thought about that, Tarunks?
Maybe he just wants you to use his design.
Yeah. No, that's okay, Tarunks.
Tyrone, how much?
How much? How much you pay? I respect the initiative, Tarunks, but no, I'm a very, very, very difficult person to please. And I'm a hands-on kind of, you got to do it yourself to get it right kind of a guy.
$20 for 3 color variants?
Yeah, I'm going to have to say no.
Yeah.
But here, hold on. Let me...
I'm going to have to pass.
Well, no, wait. He didn't ask you. But let me give him your... let me type in !O. Let me send them over to your stream. There, you can go to Omnius' stream with that link there, right there. Go ahead, ask him. He might be interested.
Oh, I think Lewis has the question right. And the answer right. Ask Pelosi.
Ask Pelosi. I don't get it.
Oh, we were talking about the stuff earlier.
Yeah. Pelosi. So unfair. So unfair what they can do in Congress.
Mm-hmm. I mean, I like that people want to do design and stuff. Come in Omnius. I like that people that want to do design and stuff. I think that's awesome.
Yeah, I appreciate the initiative, but no, I need to do it myself.
Yeah, I'm kind of the same way. I like to do things myself.
There's no way. It's like buying me an article of clothing or for a Christmas gift from a store. There's no way I would go into the store and buy the same thing that you bought me.
Tyrone, hello. Tyrone, I was looking at your YouTube and I was thinking maybe you had some nice thumbnails on there. But I don't see any.
Only you would say that. You just ruined his day.
What?
You just ruined his day.
Why?
Encourage the kid. He's 18 years old.
Thought I was being encouraging. I can make you free sample if you like. Like it, you can get it. Appreciate the offer, buddy. Generally like to make my own thumbnails. I think both our problem is that we change our thumbnails so much. We're so indecisive.
Yeah. I have 3 folders.
It costs me $100 a week.
Yeah, you know what? I'm sure you're like me. I'm a perfectionist. I'm a control freak.
He is a control freak. He told me earlier to call him daddy.
Yeah, Tyrunks, you see what you're getting involved with? Run while it's still safe. Save yourself.
Then he took a poll and even the chat was like, dude, that's no. Just no. Just no. Hey, just so you know, I didn't even click on the poll. So none of those answers were mine.
Yeah, and just so you know, it wasn't daddy, it was dad.
I can call you daddy.
There's a huge difference.
Mike.
Yeah.
Mike, you go with Tyrone, he'll call you daddy.
You'll call me daddy?
Yes, he will. If that gets you business.
My kids don't even call me daddy.
What do they call you?
Dad. They call me Mike.
Your kids call you Mike?
Yeah, a lot of people said, it doesn't show respect, but yeah, I always wanted my kids to call me by my name. Most of the time they call me, sometimes they call me Dad. When they're having a fight with one of the, like if one kid is fighting with another kid, Dad! But when they're just talking to me, it's Mike.
I don't even know if my kids know my name.
But you know what the crazy thing is? Because you get so used to dad, mom. I call my wife mom now all the time. And I think she calls me dad also. My wife looks a lot younger than me. So we're in the store and I say, Mom, do we need any of these? People look at me. They look at her. They look at me. They look at her. Really? Mom? Make that make sense.
Yeah.
But it's habit, so you don't even think about it anymore, you know?
Lewis says that's weird too. Call your dad by his name. I don't know.
You get used to it.
My kids come up trying to call me by my name. I'll probably punch them in the mouth.
Nah, come on.
That's joking.
I'm close. I'm close with my kids, and I like it.
I'm close with my kids.
But I like it. That's the point. I like that they call me Mike. Before I even had kids, I always had that in my head. I want my kids to call me by my name, not call me Dad. But they still do call me Dad. About 30% Dad, 70% Mike. 10% Omnius.
I don't know. I don't know. You're their dad, right?
I am.
I think there's a question in there, but I'm not going to ask it on stream.
I am. I don't get it. Went over my head. Aren't you lucky?
It was kind of what I just said, but you have to go a little bit. You have to go a little bit further in your head.
I
don't know. They can call you your name. They can call you Mike. Call you Dad. Whatever. It don't matter.
Oh, I wanted to have a few moments of uncomfortable silence there. Didn't work.
Was you gonna like lick your lips and make weird faces?
Okay, it's 11 o'clock.
Wait. If you're gonna lick your lip and make weird faces, hold on.
Yeah. Start recording it.
Okay. Now.
We're done.
Do Tyrone, you looking at Mike? All right, go.
No, I'm not doing it.
I got you on the big screen.
Not even for a joke.
Oh.
I wouldn't even know what to do.
All right, y'all got him camera shy.
Yeah. Am I turning red?
Daddy Mike.
Daddy Mike is shy. Okay, why isn't proper? Oh, yeah, I know why. Okay.
All right, what time is it? We're still trading?
No.
I think Lewis is still trading. Lewis, you still trading? You going short? Was a nice short there, but no, I didn't take it. I don't even know what chart I'm on. I don't know if y'all know this, but I gotta look this way to see Mike. I gotta look this way to see my screen. I gotta look that way to see what chart I'm on.
You complain too much.
While reading 3 different chats and trying to trade. Man, I feel like crap today.
Copy. Paste. Missed a lot of good trades. But you know what? It's okay. It's okay.
Kind of a uncertain spot in the trading because, like, do we keep going lower? We're kind of at this support. We are at this value area low, this range since September. So do you really want to short that? And at the same time, we still got all this the bear still got all this pressure pushing down. Do you really want to go long? What do you want to do? Multitasking while trading is impressive.
Let's take a look at that
Spoonians.
level, just out of curiosity.
Still learning, building confidence. I'm excited to get started and grow. Just wanted to put it out there. Suni, hang out, hang around.
Oh, sweet.
Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and Mike's channel, Futures Floor. We like to talk about different strategies, different ways to look at the market. And you get to see the view of the market from not only one person, but two. And a lot of times we talk about other people's strategies. Sometimes we even have people come in the Discord, hang out, chat with us, bring them on the mic. And sometimes we have groups there where we just hang out live and talk about strategies and try to do a lot of things. So, great place to start, great place to learn.
NQ is continuing to show weakness relative to ES. This is ES, that's NQ. ES, NQ. One more time. ES, NQ. Same thing, 5-minute chart.
If you're showing your chart, you got last man standing up.
Aren't I the idiot, huh? I'm not doing it again.
Yeah, that's what I say. I gotta look to see what charts I'm on. It's like, I need don't you have a screen above you that shows that? So that's what I need. I need a screen above me that shows like, because I have like all kinds of stuff stacked. It's like, I gotta find out where I gotta look to find out what other people see.
Where do I need to go next? Discord. Last thing I gotta do. Share my screen.
Suni, also, if you're on my stream and you want to get to Mike's stream, like see people go back and forth, if you look in the description, you'll see a link to his stream right there at the top of the description. And then you get to his stream, you'll come back to mine, you see a link in the same spot. So try to make it really easy for people to go back and forth. Like the streams, interact with the different chats. Sometimes we have different conversations and stuff going on. You'll also see sometimes in the chat box where it has a link to his stream or mine. Also, you can type in !FF to get a link to Mike's stream. And if you're in his stream, you can type in !O to get a link back. We have many different ways to be able to go back and forth. Mike, what are you doing to your Oh, okay.
I gotta reset everything. I forgot. It's a good thing I wrote it down. I gotta save these as I like these settings. I have to set them as the defaults. That's a button that I should put in. Save as default.
Mm-hmm. What was I doing again?
Okay, that's a good location for the pegs. Here's one right over the pit. That'll save a bunch of people. And now if we hide the pegs, people are going to wonder, hey! No one's going to know why someone was going into the pit and it didn't work. I like that. A little bit of confusion. Let's put in the players. The last person I got to enter is Bangs. What a shame, Bangs. You're really the only one with one ball. Everyone else has two. How did that work out that way? I have no idea. But it really did. So what I can do for you, Bangs, is I can give you 2 balls, but then everyone will have 4. How's that?
Did you get Lewis and Suni? Is Lewis the one that said he don't trade props?
Suni, I don't know. No,
Yeah.
that might have been Gilad. No, I don't have Lewis. Lewis typed it in?
I don't think so.
Lewis?
Yeah, he said he's the one that don't trade props. But you can still play the game. Yeah, it's up to you. You can still play the game. We'll set you up. And if you wind up winning it on Friday, then you can always choose you don't want it and run another game.
Lewis, save and apply. Lewis is in. Oh, look at that. You're already set up.
Yeah, plus we like to just kind of unwind after trading. So stressful, and some days you just clench your butt cheeks so tight. It's just nice to relax and play some games and hang out for a bit.
Yeah, I think that's exactly what I did. I did a lot of clench. I did a lot of clenching in those first few minutes.
I find that you clench a little bit less when you look at points instead of numbers.
Yeah, maybe. I had a target. I wanted to pass in well, it was in 2 days, 1500, 1500, without full porting, like just do it on 15, 20 trades.
Oh, you told me you weren't going to do that.
Well, what? No full porting. Yeah, no, I did it in a way that, like I took multiple trades. Look how many trades it took me. 7 minutes. I probably took like 35 trades in those 7 minutes.
You said you was going to let it rebuild and take it slow.
Oh, no. That was for my son. That's actually why that came up. He was in that situation, and I was just wondering, I didn't want to interfere and really give advice. I was just wondering what the world thought about that situation, what the consensus was.
That's why I don't give advice.
It was pretty much 50-50, but a little more leaning towards go for it. But I wanted the low activation. I want the low activation from Apex. So, guys, today's giveaway game is sponsored by Bullinox. Bullinox is having an 89% off sale. Our codes are down below in the description. So if you're looking to top up some of your accounts or to try a new firm, Bullinox is right now and has been for a long time pretty much our highest rated firm. Among all the prop firms, it's 90%, well, 89% off. And that's recurring month after month after month after month. The only thing that really you should keep in mind is the activation fee on the higher accounts is quite high. So stick with the 50K account, which is the logical choice anyways, because your take profit to drawdown ratio is pretty much the best at that level. I mean, like, you don't want to try and make 9,000 when you only have a $4,000 drawdown, or try to make 17,000 when you have an $8,000 drawdown. You're making your life a lot harder. So it's 1-to-1. It's the best take profit to drawdown ratio. The 50K accounts, it's the ones that we use. And today is a qualifier. We're playing last man standing. That means the last ball on the board to float around is the one that qualifies. We're going to run 3 of them. When you qualify, you will be in Friday's final. All the qualifiers make it into Friday's final, and on Friday's final, we'll be giving away the account to the last man standing. I think that covers everything.
Lewis has a question. He wants to know, just wondering if you guys had a not financial advice disclaimer before the stream starts.
We do, yes. Why do you ask? We have it when the stream starts, and we have it scrolling on top all the time. Right there.
You do.
Educational and entertainment only, not financial advice. It is in your face all day long.
On your stream. It's not on mine.
Yeah, no, yeah, absolutely. Yeah, people need to know. This is not financial advice. We're not licensed professionals. We trade drunk. According to Omnius.
Lewis, he has a disclaimer. I just tell people we trade drunk. See, I'll take me to court. I'd be like, look, I got it in almost every stream. Look, I tell y'all every day we trade drunk. You following a guy that trades drunk? Guys.
Nobody should be following anybody. Ever.
Just to be clear for a second. In order to give financial advice, you have to have a financial license. Generally work for an institution. Otherwise, you're not allowed to give financial advice. So don't follow our trades. We may or may not trade drunk. We don't know.
We may or may not even be on the stream when it looks like we're on the stream. Like Skeletor says, yep. You remember Fake Mike also? Fake Mike, Fake Omnius?
I've seen some other people tell people to copy their trades and give people bad advice. Guys, we're never going to tell you to copy our trades. There's most of you that have been here a while know that most of my trades are like a second or two. By the time you even see my trade, it's already over. So
yeah,
if you even see me get into a trade, chances are by the time you get, I'm already out the trade.
I remember Silent Mike.
It's impossible to copy our trades. Do have a bot on stream a lot. If you want to use that as a reference, use it in reference with your own analysis, your own price action. Don't blindly follow the bot. Don't blindly follow me. Don't blindly follow Mike. And even that, if Mike takes like 100 trades a day, so are you going to copy the one? It's probably going to be the loser. It just doesn't make sense. You're never going to get anywhere copying other people's trades.
I thought I never lose. Thought we were going with that.
You don't lose if you don't count it, right? There's some of those guys out there. They just don't count their losses, so they never lose. Guys, if somebody tells you that they win 100% of the time, tell them you want to see the mansions and...
No, run as fast as you can.
That's a great sign of a dumbass alert. So don't fall for that stupid shit. Trading's about losing and winning. Okay, boom. Be smart. Don't fall into these stupid things. The sad part is generally it's new traders that fall into this stuff because they don't know any better. We've all been there. Guys, trading takes work. Okay, if you're willing to come put in the work, you can do great. If you're not, all you want to do is copy other people's trades. Just quit now. It's gonna save you so much trouble in life.
I'm just getting a call here. Yeah, we can do that. No problem. Your twin wants to say hi. Your twin brother wants to say hi. He just wants to come in and So
I thought it was Nancy Pelosi.
I told him we'd let him say hi. Just let Omni-Man come in and say hi. Okay, let's get the games going. Can anybody guess who the sub of the week is? If you copy trade, you will always be dependent on that person. Absolutely, that doesn't work. There's so many reasons why copy trade.
Not only that, but how many, and all of you do it too, we all have our horrible, horrible days. Could you imagine somebody being in their worst day and you're copying them? Mm-hmm. It's not smart. It doesn't work. Use your own analysis.
Risky.
And if you see somebody else, if you're thinking of going long and you talk to other people, you see me do that, you see Mike do that, people on the streams, hey, what do y'all think about this long? Then we'll discuss like why we like it or don't. Mike will say something, I'm going long or short here. I'm like, you're shorting into the moving average? I don't know. You sure? So we're here to work as a group. Not give out trade signals. One, it's against the law. Two, it's stupid.
Why didn't it show? Oh. Ah, there we go. You're talking a lot.
Let's do it.
Ah, okay, so I can put that back.
Skeletor.
Let's do it.
Even copy
Even
trading
cop-
between accounts. It's
Oh,
gonna be
here he
bad.
goes again. Who started him?
We're waiting on you. I'm just hanging out with the shop.
I better get going quick.
Not my fault you won't press the fire button.
There you go. You're all gone. You're all out.
Let's go. Push Fred out. Skeletor out.
That's so funny.
Mike, you gotta tell people how they get extra balls. Everybody knows.
No, I think I just got.
What happened? Stream cut off.
Yep.
Wah, wah, wah.
I guess
What
I didn't pay my
did you
hydro.
do? Sorry, guys. Technical difficulties. Mike waited so long to press the button, then when he finally did, he broke it.
You still see me, right?
Yeah. I see the game. Is that the game? No? Oh, no.
Oof.
Guys, Mike's having a hard time getting it up. Just give him a second. He'll work it out, okay? Come on, Mike.
No, I think OBS had a major fart.
Uh-oh. WTF. We trade futures. Stinky. Guys, y'all don't let nobody else steal my saying, okay? WTF. You know, hey, Omnius came out with that. That and go Patrick yourself, but we don't say that one that much anymore. I just always kind of thought it was funny. One day maybe I'll message him and tell him to go Patrick himself and see if he gets mad.
Okay, we may be postponing due to technical difficulty.
Uh-oh. The futures floor store shut down, and now the page shut down.
Yeah, I have to. OBS won't even load now.
Do I have a...
I gotta reboot. Okay, I'm gonna reboot, and I'll come back as fast as I can into the Discord.
Yeah.
We'll see if that helps. If it doesn't help, then we'll do it tomorrow. Sounds good?
Yep. See you in 20 minutes. All right. Let's see what our trading's doing since he's having issues. Lewis waiting for 25.028. What is Lewis? What's the 25.028? Just curious because we have this low here, and we just swept that. Try to take that liquidity. And then you're saying right below it. I'm just curious what's right below it. 1 hour pivot. Okay. Still at this support. 240. y'all see this green line? I know it's kind of hard to see when I zoom out with all this other stuff. But that's the value area. Volume profile for all the way back to September. Just kind of been chopping in this range. You can see where it comes up to the value area high. We have a resistance right above it. And we come down to value area low. We have a support there. Till we get out of this range, this high and low, still going to be relevant. We have another range right below it. So, see how they act here? Do they buyers come in? Do they push up? I didn't realize it yesterday, but a lot of big name stocks sold off. A lot of big names are down today still. 3, 4, 5%. We have Intuit almost down, what, 46%? What was the low? 50%? It's crazy. Adobe down 61%. Salesforce down almost 50%. Salesforce down almost 50%. I heard that.
Shit.
Do you use fibs? Lewis, not really. Do you use fibs?
No, we're done, Omnius. My OBS is like completely fried. Everything is oops, sorry about that. Everything is gone. I gotta restart or find a backup. I don't hear you.
I haven't said anything.
There you
Yeah, whatever you need, man.
Yep, that's it. I don't have an OBS. I don't have a functioning OBS. I got to work on it.
That sucks.
So, yeah, I don't know what happened. I got a message there, OBS crash report or OBS crash. Do I want to save the crash report? I clicked no, stupidly. Maybe I should have clicked yes. I thought it was just a simple thing. But anyways, we'll see. We are, what's today? Today's Wednesday.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, so what we'll do is tomorrow, maybe I'll start a little earlier. I'll start at 9 o'clock. Hopefully I'll be up and running again tomorrow at 9 in the morning. I'll come in at 9 o'clock. I'll run the 3 qualifiers with the names. We have them all the way. I still have the list here. Let's just check, make sure. Players. Yes, I got all the names. So we'll run them at 9 o'clock. If you want, also join in, and then we'll pick it up, and it'll be business as usual tomorrow at 9:15. Man,
Miss K, sounds delicious. Fried orbs.
Fried orbs. I just hope I don't have a hell of a time now. I hope I don't have to work 5 hours to get it all put back together.
I hope not. Remember, I went through that a few times. It's a pain.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Guys, appreciate y'all. Lewis, do you use fibs? Not really. If I'm going to use a fib, I think Mike uses fibs. Generally, if I'm going to use a fib, I'll just take a box. Just draw the box. And sometimes there's a line in the center. So that'll give me the 50. 60's right above it, 40's right below it. So to me, that's just a quick way to draw it. But generally, don't look at fibs. Appreciate everyone. Have a good rest of your day. Sorry about the games today. Technical difficulties. And see you by tomorrow morning.
Don't blame me. Blame Omnius. Blame
Always.
Ominous.
Always blaming the guy with the red beard.
Well, it's because you brought up the word ominous today. You see, you jinxed us. You jinxed us.
That's funny. Closed out. Operator error. Yeah. Have a good day. Guys, appreciate y'all. Have a good day. See everybody tomorrow. Bye, guys.
I'm back.
He's back. You leaving? You back? I was exiting out. You good?
I'm good.
Any last words?
Done? Nope. No last words. Thanks for hanging out, guys. If we're still on the stream, appreciate it. We'll see you tomorrow. Tune in at 9 o'clock. If not, doesn't matter. We'll still record you if you make it through the qualifier. I'll start earlier tomorrow.
All right. Appreciate you guys. Later.
Take care, guys.
The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned and future still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. The markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Well, the trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned and future still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Stream's ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Well, the trading day is done, the charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled, now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned, and future still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow, chasing profits right. Stream's ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Stream's ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm,